Take a deep breath for a moment before anything else. Let me ask you something honestly. If someone told you that just *** 30 minutes a day ** could completely change your life, would you believe them? Most people wouldn't, because we've been trained to believe that change needs massive effort, endless hours, perfect conditions, or some kind of miracle. But the truth is simpler and far more powerful. Right now, as you're listening to this, your future is quietly being shaped, not by big decisions, not by dramatic moments, but by what you do with the small pieces of time you keep ignoring. Think about this. Every day gives you 24 hours, and out of those 24 hours, I'm not asking for half your day, I'm not asking for 5 hours, I'm not even asking for 1 full hour, I'm asking for **, just 30 minutes **, 30 minutes that can rebuild your future from the ground up. Most people say, I don't have time, but somehow they have time to scroll, time to worry, time to overthink, time to replay the same regrets again and again in their mind. Time isn't missing, direction is. And maybe that's where you are right now, feeling stuck, feeling like life is moving forward without you, feeling tired not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, spiritually. You're exhausted from trying. Or maybe exhausted from not trying anymore. But listen to me carefully now. You don't need a new life. You don't need to become a different person overnight. You don't need motivation that fades tomorrow morning. What you need is a small daily promise to yourself. Just 30 minutes a day where you choose growth instead of comfort, progress instead of excuses, your future instead of your fear. Because here's the truth no one tells you. Your future isn't destroyed, it's just neglected, and neglected things don't need miracles, they need attention. 30 minutes of focused effort every single day can do what years of wishing never will. Think about the power of that. 30 minutes learning a new skill, 30 minutes reading something that strengthens your mind, 30 minutes working on that dream you keep postponing, 30 minutes improving your health, 30 minutes building discipline, 30 minutes investing in yourself when no one is watching. That's how quiet transformations happen, not with applause, not with announcements, but with consistency and silence. You see, the people you admire didn't wake up one day successful. They didn't suddenly become confident, disciplined, or strong. They built themselves, minute by minute, day by day, when it was boring. When it was uncomfortable, when no one cared, and you can do the same. Right now you might feel behind in life, like you wasted years, like others have moved ahead and you're standing still. But listen to this very carefully. It's not too late, it's never too late to start showing up for yourself, because the moment you decide to give your future 30 minutes a day, everything begins to shift, your confidence starts to grow. Your self-respect comes back. Your mindset changes, your identity evolves. You stop seeing yourself as someone who wants to change and start seeing yourself as someone who *** does ***. And that changes everything. At first, it won't feel dramatic. You won't feel motivated every day. Some days you'll doubt yourself. Some days you'll feel tired. Some days you'll feel like quitting. That's normal. But here's what matters. Even on your worst days, 30 minutes is still possible, and those 30 minutes repeated over weeks and months become unstoppable momentum. Imagine where you could be in 1 year, not if you worked endlessly, but if you worked consistently. 1 year from now, you could be more skilled, more disciplined, more confident, more proud of yourself, or you could still be making the same excuses, still feeling stuck, still wishing you had started. The difference between those two futures is 30 minutes a day, nothing more. Your past doesn't control your future, your habits do, and every habit begins with a decision. Right now, this moment, you have a choice. You can close this and go back to autopilot, or you can decide that today is the day you start rebuilding yourself, slowly, steadily, powerfully, not for anyone else. Not to prove anything, but because you owe it to yourself. You owe it to the version of you who once had dreams. You owe it to the version of you who still hopes for more. You owe it to your future self who is waiting for you to take action. So make a promise, not a big one, not a dramatic one, a simple one. I will give my future 30 minutes a day. Protect those minutes, respect them, use them wisely, and when doubt creeps in, when laziness whispers, when fear tries to stop you, remember this: your future is built in small moments of discipline, not in bursts of motivation. Start today, start now, start imperfectly, just don't stop. This is your life. This is your time, and this is your moment to modify yourself. If this message spoke to you, don't just feel it, act on it. Choose your 30 minutes today, and tomorrow, and the next day, because one day you'll look back and realize those small daily choices didn't just change your schedule, they rebuilt your entire future. Let's go deeper, because this message isn't just about time, it's about who you are becoming every single day. Right now, somewhere deep inside you, there is a quiet frustration, a feeling you don't always talk about, a feeling that says, I was meant for more than this. More than waking up tired, more than surviving instead of living, more than watching others chase their dreams while you keep putting yours on pause. That feeling isn't weakness, it's awareness, and awareness is the beginning of change. But here's where most people get trapped. They wait for motivation, they wait for confidence, they wait for the right time, they wait for life to slow down, and while they wait, days turn into months, months turn into years, and regret quietly grows. Listen carefully now. Motivation doesn't come first, action does. Confidence doesn't come before effort, it comes from effort, and the right time is never coming. All you have is now, and now is more than enough. 30 minutes a day may sound small, but small things done consistently are unstoppable. Think about this: a river doesn't cut through rock because it's powerful. It cuts through rock because it's persistent. That's you, not powerful all at once, but persistent every day, and persistence beats talent. Persistence beats luck. Persistence beats fear. Most people fail not because they can't do big things, but because they never commit to small ones. They try to change everything at once. They burn out, they quit, they blame themselves, and the cycle repeats. But you're not here to repeat cycles. You're here to break them. 30 minutes a day is realistic, it's sustainable, it's honest. It doesn't require you to be superhuman. It just requires you to show up, and showing up daily changes how you see yourself. When you keep promises to yourself, even small ones, something powerful happens. You start trusting yourself again. That's self-trust. That's what rebuilds confidence. That's what creates discipline. That's what turns dreams into plans. Let me tell you something important. Your life doesn't change when you finally figure everything out. It changes when you decide to stop running from effort. You don't need clarity for the next 10 years. You only need clarity for the next 30 minutes. Ask yourself, what is one thing I can do in the next 30 minutes that my future self will thank me for? Just one thing. Read, learn, practice, train, plan, create, not perfectly, not impressively, just honestly. Some days those 30 minutes will feel incredible. You'll feel focused, alive, proud. Other days they'll feel heavy, slow, boring. Those days matter the most, because discipline isn't built on good days. It's built on days you didn't feel like trying, but did anyway. That's where strength is born. You see, life isn't hard because you're weak. Life feels hard because you've been living without structure, direction, and purpose. And purpose doesn't appear suddenly. It's created through action. Action gives meaning to effort. Effort gives meaning to struggle. Struggle gives meaning to success. One day, if you stay consistent, something beautiful will happen. You'll wake up and realize you're no longer the same person. You think differently. You react differently. You move differently. Problems that once scared you will feel manageable. Challenges that once stopped you will feel like tests you're ready to take. Not because life became easier, but because you became stronger and that strength was built quietly. In those 30 minutes no one applauded. This is how real transformation happens, not on social media, not through motivational quotes alone, but through daily effort when no one is watching. You don't need approval, you don't need validation, you need consistency, and consistency over time creates a version of you that no obstacle can break. Think about the future version of you, the one who stayed committed, the one who didn't quit, the one who chose progress over comfort. That version of you is real and it's waiting for you to stop underestimating the power of small steps, waiting for you to stop saying one day and start saying today, waiting for you to finally take responsibility, not with pressure, but with purpose, because responsibility isn't a burden, it's freedom. The moment you accept that your future depends on your daily choices, you take your power back. No more blaming circumstances, no more waiting for luck, no more depending on motivation, just you, your time, and your decision to grow. 30 minutes a day is how you prove to yourself that you're serious. Serious about your dreams, serious about your growth, serious about becoming someone you respect. And respect is everything. When you respect yourself, you stop settling, you stop making excuses, you stop betraying your own potential. You don't need to change your entire life today. Just change what you do with the next 30 minutes. That's it. If you fall, stand up. If you miss a day, continue. If progress feels slow, remember, slow progress is still progress. The only real failure is stopping completely, so don't stop. Choose your 30 minutes, guard them like your future depends on them, because it does, and one day, sooner than you think, you'll look back and realize something powerful. The life you once dreamed of was built in quiet moments of discipline. This is your reminder, this is your push, this is your sign. Start now, stay consistent, and never forget why you began. You are not broken. You are not behind, you are not done. You are in the process of becoming. This is how you rebuild your future. One day, 30 minutes, one decision at a time. This is your journey. This is your responsibility. This is your power. Modify yourself.